So for now, we're discussing differentiation rule in derivatives. So there are 5 rules in derivatives. So first, we're discussing rule number 1, constant rule. So rule number 1, if f of x is equals to c, where c is a constant, then f prime x is equals to 0. Then the derivative of a constant is equal to 0. So, ang ibig sabihin, pag ang ating f of x is equals to c, where it is a constant, then, therefore, ang ating derivative is equals to 0, or f prime x is equals to 0. So, para mas maintindihan ka natin is bigay ako ng example. So, this is example number 1. So, pag ganito ang given, so, itong 10 is constant. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating derivative is 0. So, f prime x equals to 0. Ganyan lang. So, another example na mas maintindihan natin lang. So, y is equals to 10. So, it is a constant. So, ibig sabihin is 0 pa rin ang aming sagot. So, ito ang ating answer. Baka tataka kayo kung bakit dx of y ang nila is pareha lang yan sila na derivative. So, ito, magbibigay ako ng mga So, for now, we're discussing the rule number 2. So, rule number 2 is called the power rule. So, power rule. If f of x is equals to x raised to n, then the f prime of x is equals to nx minus 1. So, ang gagawin daw natin dito sa ating n is ilalagay natin siya dito para ibababa natin siya. At copy lang ito. Then our n is i-minus 1 natin. So, let's have an example para mas maintindihan. Ito, f of x is equals to x cubed. So, gamit yan sa ating i-evaluate ko. So, f prime of x. So, ano na? So, ibababa natin itong 3. Dahil ang n is ibababa tulad nito. So, magiging 3 na dito. Then, copy our x cubed or r f of x. So, x cubed. Then, minus 1. So, f prime of x is equals to, so 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So, this is our answer. Using rule number 2 or the power rule, 3x cubed. So, let's have some example. So ito, g of x is equals to x raised to 5. So, ang gagawin natin dito is tulad lang ito. So, g prime of x equals to, so ibababa natin itong n natin o 5. So, magiging 5, then copy our g of x, which is x raised to 5, then minus 1. So, yan. At, ano na, it's in the weight na. So, i-minus na natin ito. So, g prime of x as x is equals to 5x, 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. 4. So, that's our answer. Then now, try some another example, but it's fraction. Fraction. So f of x is equals to 1 over x raised to 2. So, paano natin siya sasakay i-evaluate? So, ganito. F prime of x equals to x minus raised to negative 2. So, magkakata kayo kung bakit ang x raised to negative 2 siya. So, let's have example. Ganito. So, x minus 3. So, ayan. So, magiging answer nito is 1 over x raised to positive 3. Dahil itong x natin is may imaginary 1. So, that's 1. Then, hindi pwede na ang ating raise is negative. So, magiging positive siya. So, negative ay x raised to 3 or cube. So, parang ganito lang. So, naging x minus 2 siya. Dahil ganito siya. Then, for now, we apply the power rule. So, f prime of x is equals to negative 2. So, ibababa natin ang negative 2. Then, copy our x. Then, copy negative 2, then minus 1. So, f of prime x is equals to negative 2x. So, negative 2 minus 1 is equals to negative 3. Negative 3. So, this is our answer. Or, let's do some fraction form. So, magiging ganito, negative 2 over tulad doon. So, ito lang ang ating kukunin. Negative 3, x raised to negative 3. So, magiging x cube na lang siya. Magiging positive siya. So, ito ang ating sagot. So, ganyan lang. So, let us evaluate this. So, h prime of x is equals to x raised to 1 half. Raised to a raise. So, bakit naging ganito? So, our radical side, meron siyang imaginary squared dito, or 2. Imaginary. Then, itong x is meron din imaginary 1, raised to 1. So that's mean x is raised to 1/2. So now we apply our rule. So x raised to 1/2. So ibababa natin ito 1/2. So 1/2 and x will raise to 1/2. Then minus 1. Minus 1. So h prime of x is equals to 1/2 x equals to 1/2 minus 1. Negative 1/2. Negative 1/2. So this is our answer. Or this 1, the same 1, same negative 1. Same 1. Copy lang. Ginamit ay ang numerator. Then copy ang 2. Then x raised to 2. That's our answer for radical. So for now, let's proceed to rule number 3. So for now, let's proceed rule number 3, or the constant multiple rule. So f of x is equals to k times f of x, where k is a constant. Then f prime of x is equals to k times x times f prime of x. So for now, let's try example para mas maintindihan natin. So this is our example. F of x equals to 5x raised to 3/4. 3/4. So now, identify muna natin saan yung k at h of x. So this is our k5 and our h of x is 3/4. So let's evaluate. F prime of x is equals to copy the 5 or the k, then times. Then the power rule 3/4. Then 4. Then copy the x raised to 3/4. Then minus 1. So let's solve f prime of x. F prime of x. So 5 times 3 is 15 over 4. Then copy the x. Then 3/4 times 1, negative 3/4. Or this 15 over, copy the 4, then x, magiging positive ito, 3/4. So this is our answer for example number 1 in constant multiple rule, or rule number 3. So for now, let's try sa example para mas maintindihan talaga natin. So this is our given. G of x is equals to 1/3. 1/3. So this is our gain. So first we identify where's the gain in h of x. So this is our gain, and h of x is this. So let's solve. So g prime of x equals g prime of x equals, first is we copy it, k is 1/3, so 1/3. Then times, again, times. Then we apply the power rule. So ibababa natin itong 1/3. So 1/3. Then our x raised to 1/3. 1/3 minus 1. So we solve g prime of x, so 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 3 is 9, so 1/9. Then x raised to negative 1/3 minus 1, negative 1. So negative 1/3. So this is our answer. So ganyan lang rule number 3, or the constant multiple rule. So for now, let's proceed to rule number 4. So for now, let's proceed to rule number 4, or the derivative of a sum or a difference. So we read the definition. So f of x is equal to g of x plus minus h of x. Then f prime of x is equal to g prime of x plus minus h prime of x. So para mas maintindihan natin is bibigay ako ng example. So ito ang ating example number 1. So f of x is equals to 3 raised to 2 minus 7x. So first, we identify kung saan yung g of x at h of x. So our g of x dito ay ito. G of x na ito. G of x. At ito ay ating h of x. So first, isolve muna natin yung g of x natin. G of x prime equals to first is sulat mo natin yung gawin. So 3x squared. So first is copy na muna natin itong 3 dahil constant. At ito, apply the power rule. So bago muna is times muna natin. Times. So, yan. At ibababa natin itong 2. 2, then copy ang this. X raised to 2. Then minus 1. So, yan. So, let's solve. G prime of x equals to 3 times 2, 6. Then, x minus 1 is 1. So, pwede lang x na natin ilagay dito. Kaya may imaginary 1 naman dito. So, this is our answer for g prime of x. So, now, let's solve na naman natin yung h of x. So, h of x. H of x is equals to 7i x. Ay, negative pala to. Ibang natin tanong. Negative 7 of x. So let's solve x prime of x equals to so 7x lang ang answer. Dahil may imaginary 1 to x, so 1 times negative 7 is negative 7 yung sagot. So now our answer is f prime of x is equals to 6x minus 7. So this is our answer. So ganyan lang kadali yung rule number 4. So for now, let's proceed to the last rule, or the rule number 5. So for now on, we're discussing rule number 5 for the product group. So first, sulat muna natin yung ating definition. dx of f of x times g of x equals to f of x then times g prime of x then bracket. Ay, hindi pa wala. G prime of x plus. So, g of x then plus f prime of x. So, medyo mataas ang ating process ngayon, but madali. So, first, para mas pinilihan natin, ibigay ko ng example. So, this is our example number 1. So, 1 is equals to 3x squared minus 4. Or then x squared minus 3x. 3x. So, first is, bago tayo mag-solve dito is, i-identify muna natin kung saan yung f of x at g of x. So, this is our f of x. And f of x. Then, this is our g of x. So, first muna is to solve natin yung f of x. So, f of x. Then, 3x raised to 2 minus 4. Yan ang ating given. So, let's solve f prime of x equals to, first is copy natin yung 3. Tulad na yung rule number 4 na constant. So, this is a constant 3. Then, apply the power rule, bababa to 2. So, times 2. Then, x. So, magiging 2x na lang po siya. Yan. Ibaba natin ito. Start then. Then, solve natin. So, 3 times 2x is equals to 6x. So, 6x. So, meron na tayong answer sa ating f of x. So, this is f prime of x is equals to 6x. So, for now on, ito na naman g of x. So, g of x is equals to x squared minus 3x. So, this is our given. So, madali lang yan. So, g prime of x. So, apply the power rule. 2x then minus 3 na lang po sa 3. Yan. So, this is our answer. So, for now on, gagamitin na natin ito. Ang ating, sa ating definition. So, we write y is equals to first, asan yung f of x natin? So, ito. So, 3x squared minus 4. Then, our g prime of x is, so, bakit parenthesis muna. So, 2x minus 3. Then, plus our g of x, this, g prime pala, g of x. So, x squared minus 3x. Then, the last, our f prime of x, ito. 6x. So, yan. So, let's solve. So, first, so, tulad ng, FOIL method, ito, FOIL method. So, y, 5, so, 3x squared times 2x. So, 6x squared. 6x squared. Then 3x squared times 3 is equals to 9x squared. I prove pala that 3. Dahil x natin is may imaginary 1 dito. Then 3x squared times negative 3 negative x squared. Negative x squared. Then 4 times 2x is negative 8x. Then 4 times negative 3 positive 12. So yan. Tapos na tayo dito na naman. So, maki-design class. So, x squared times 6x 6x squared. Then, negative 3x times positive 6x 16 ay 18 negative 18x squared. So 6x cubed wala ito cube rest lang. So 6x cubed plus 6x cubed is 12x cubed. 12x cubed. Then negative 9x squared plus ito negative 18x squared. So magiging negative 27x squared. Then wala na. So wala na. So copy lang ito. Negative 8x plus 12. So ito yung sagot natin. So ganyan lang yung madali differentiation